Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mobile Mechanic 757. If you have a filter that looks like this, which is an oil filter that's sitting somewhere on top of your engine with these newer type of vehicles, the point of this whole entire video, is to always change the O-ring. This is the old O-ring. This is the old filter down there. It comes with a brand new O-ring. You do not want to put this plastic back on with a bad O-ring, and then your engine is blowing oil over the place, and by the time you figure it out, the engine has trashed itself, or you have a big oil mess. So just make sure they always come with a new O-ring. Don't skip it. Don't just be lazy or anything like that. It's just not worth it. This $12 part versus a $5,000 engine, you give or take. Sometimes the oil filters are over here or wherever the case is going to be at. This is a Caravan, so it's going to be sitting right here. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.